Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Checking in on SPY, IWM, and QQQ. So it's the first signs of consolidation. Keeping in mind the volume was extremely low today. It was Columbus Day. We had a Canadian holiday, Thanksgiving. So the volume is extremely low. But this is the most bearish action that we've seen in the past couple of weeks. So we always have to keep in mind perspective, because comparatively it seems very bearish. But you look at the daily chart and this is so very healthy at this point. There are no red flags for the bulls. This is potentially even setting up to be a bull flag. We'll see how the bulls react to these exponential supports. We'll keep an eye on the volume once it does tick up again. And we'll see if this is more than just healthy consolidation. But really at this point, we could see SPY pull all the way back to 250. And it would still be healthy consolidation on the daily in terms of establishing higher lows. Obviously, the bulls don't want to pull back that much, but where we stand right now, there are no red flags for the long-term bulls. This is just a healthy consolidation pullback that we've been looking for really since the second half of last week. The weekly time frame, we'll see if we lose the upper Bollinger Band of 253.74 support, and if we do, it won't be a big deal. We'll be looking for a higher low compared to 248.08. IWM gave us the red flags first. They were a bit of a canary in the coal mine in terms of showing that slowdown of bullish strength, losing the higher low pattern after 21 days in a row. And the momentum is clearly favoring the bears heading into tomorrow, as we are closing at the low of the day on these markets and a lot of individual names, where you look at SPY and say, when's the last time we closed near the low of the day? And it's been a really long time. So IWM is pulling back. It too is a potential bull flag. We're one step ahead of this consolidation. We'll be watching volume. We'll be watching the exponential supports. Next support after the low of today is 148.08, and we'll see if we head down to that level tomorrow. Weekly time frame after a month of straight upside is a bearish reversal candlestick, indicating we're likely to see some short-term healthy consolidation. QQQ on the daily, hitting a new all-time high, but also closing down near the low and indicating that we are likely to pull back a bit. Support after 147.30. I'm looking at 146.34 is a little gap here we'll be keeping an eye on. And again, we have so much wiggle room in all these individual names and in these bullish markets that we can pull back significantly and still maintain higher lows. QQQ on the weekly time frame, higher lows and higher highs continuing to play out. We have resistance at 148.01. Anything above 142.10 maintains the higher lows, keeping us in the bullish channel between the middle Bollinger Band support and the upper Bollinger Band resistance. So bulls in full control. Normal healthy consolidation is approaching. There are some potential short-term bearish positions we can take in terms of looking for short-term consolidation. As long as we keep that mindset intact, short-term plays, then we can be playing in both directions. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow and see what occurs when that volume does pick back up with the markets being open up north. And I hope you have a good night. We'll see you tomorrow.